All right, people, I got a good setup here. SBUX. XBUX is a stock I talked about before, but now it has a very good setup. Also, fundamental news as well. Technically, fundamentally, this is a really good setup here. And even if we just get to, let's say, to the low end of the phase, this could be at least 150% gains in the options very easily. So let's talk about this plan, people. SBUX is set up to test 60 to 62 phase 1 and 65 to 66 phase 2. Longer term, this stock could possibly go much higher. But I'm really focusing on the phase 1 part where we can make some good money in. Very low risk, high reward here, and especially with these options, I'm going to show you why. So in this plan, we're going to be talking about the 57.50 April 21 calls could be used. So now we need to wait for confirmation. So SBUX needs to break above 57.25 on some good action volume. Now good action volume is about 800K at least on a 10-minute chart. Now I'm going to be explaining stuff in the video now. So if the volume isn't there as we're trying to break that, then we're going to watch basing above that 57.25 area and look for power through 57.5 to 57.75, something like that. And again, I will make sure you're following me on StockTwits or on Twitter, Power Trigger Trade, for the confirmation. Let's go take a look at the reason why I like this trade. I'm going to explain it on a different screen. All right, people, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance Board. We have, as you can see, SBUX closed at 56.81 on March 24. Now, why I like this is trading amazingly with options. The April 21, 2017 calls are amazingly trading well. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So here's the 57.5 calls. Now look at this. Look at this, people. 16,000 open interest. Lots of trading here, and look at how cheap these options are. Let me explain you this. If this goes into the money, this is going to turn. Let's say you get in at an average price of I don't know, 70, 80 cents. This probably turns to about $2, two and a half. Just getting 59. Now we get the 50, we get the 60, which is the low end of it, right? Because where they stop at in the phase 1, we'll be able to determine the new plan for phase 2, right? There'll probably need some new consolidation, but definitely they're going to try to attempt that 59, 60, or even 60 to 62 area. But these particular options, as you can see, are trading very well. Lots of open interest, lots of trading volume. This is the sweet spot right here, people. 57.5. All right, people, so there you have it, a great update. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I make a lot of great plans. You're going to be check out a couple of more plans. Always check out for plans you go through the uploads and you can see it tells you the day and all that stuff when it was done. But you always want to check here, check daily for updates, because you know what, I'm always making updates or new plans. It could be sometimes it's one plan or two plan. Majority of the time making new plans, especially on the weekend. But anyways, people, you see the Sandro Power Trigger Trade. If you haven't already done so, you're going to see it appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it'll give you an easy way to subscribe. And not only that, people, it's a great place to get the link to the Twitter. So follow me on Power Trigger Trade on Twitter. And this is my website. I have some great informational videos on there as well, of detailed plans that did really great gains, people. I mean, this is what it's all about, people. Confirmation, making money, stalking your prey. And I like this SBUX trade, people. So there you got it, people. A great update. Thanks for listening. Like the video.